In the software, you now have the ability to pull your team and company critical numbers into your daily and weekly huddles. In order to set this up, you must be an administrator on your account. If that is the case, first go to the Administration tab at the top and select Manage Huddle Groups. From this page, when creating a new huddle or editing a pre-existing huddle, you will now see the checkbox options to pull your company and team critical numbers into your huddles. This process will look the same for both your daily and your weekly huddles. After checking the boxes and saving, you can now access your company and team critical numbers straight from your daily and weekly huddle pages. As you will see, if your team does not have any critical numbers, you will be prompted to add some. You can now view, create, and edit your critical numbers straight from your daily and weekly huddle pages.